Alright, the shed extension is starting. So that right there is our beautiful workshop that we have been building over the last few months. And after building it and putting the first few machines and tools in, we are enjoying the space a lot and how we have built the first shed. But with all the tools and equipment in there, we figured that the space is not sufficient enough. So behind the work shed here, we had a wood shed previously, similar to that one, which I took down in a different video. We are going to start building the workshop extension, this one out into here. I wanted the tripod as a specific height. So these 2x4s laying here, and I put them up in such a way that the tripod can stand quite firmly actually. The MDF plates from the rain, what is that for? Well, we shouldn't have left them out, but they are done for.
That's right. If it's too heavy, we make it lighter.
So all the building material that is laying out here is basically what we have available to be used. Nicely cut timber beams is probably what we'll be using the most, and then rest pieces out of that pile and those piles down there. For the flooring we use this stuff here, which is called yellow tongue. We use the same right here. That is a yellow tongue flooring, and it has worked really well. It's very sturdy, very compact. We've been very happy with that. And whatever we don't have, I guess we'll have to buy or make ourselves. So these boards that is moving, we're gonna use them for the general framework. So we're gonna cut one side of it off to use for roof beams. And then we have the rest of that plank still big enough for the framework. I reckon the way we will proceed is to the rough framework out here, level it, put 4 poles in and build the floor on that. Quite easily said and maybe not as easily done, but we'll see how we go. Look at that marbling, wow. Next piece incoming. We need this floor structure, board like this, same length, in between there. This beauty. Ah, here. Second day has started. That is what we have gotten to yesterday, and it looks really nice. The start of the underneath framework. It is very wet everywhere right now. It has rained the whole night again. So today, the plan for today will most likely be putting in additional boards. One more here and two more over there, 4 in total. And then we're gonna put in that corner post and this one right here. Animal life in the forest.
Den da hinten in der Ecke. Ach, nochmal. Wow!
That went pretty quick and simple. So that's the exact height already.
That is the correct height.
So like the other one, this way here.
Ja, no. Das ist ja
I would go.
Gosh, what a big thing.
Lovely, nice
So
and big.
Really so.
Is it?
Perfect. So, Mika.
Me, the tour guy.
Looks good.
Cool.
Go on. Alright.
One is okay, right?
Ich würde 2 zumindest auf einer Seite. Okay.
Was ganz Verrücktes. Oh ja! Yeah, looks good. That is cool. Yeah. Ich dachte, ich leg's da drüben hin.
right after the other. And then you just take the thickness of this board.
Oh, well,
here,
okay,
and then
yeah.
it fits.
That's an easy way of doing it. Amazing how literally hot these drills get from these power drillings.
Now we need little pieces. 700 long.
Oh yeah! Now I have one pre-cut for every space. Now I am drilling from softwood into hardwood. What Dad told me before. Okay. Nice! The floor is starting to take shape. These poles on the bricks on the floor, we need them under here. So press down just a bit. It is moving too much, otherwise if we walk over, it's bending too much and might crack at some point. Haha, look at that! Nothing moving anymore. That's why we're putting all these in. That battery is empty. Let's see how a full one does. Also gonna try Dad's new earmuffs. See how good they are. Oh yeah. I don't hear anything. Okay, full battery. That's the difference. Oh, wow. Haha, look at that. Woohoo! Nothing moving anymore. That is nice. So that is why we put all these poles onto stones underneath, so that when you walk over, there's no wobble. This is nice. Cool. In a big area. Our new workshop. Alright, floor time. For these cuts I'm gonna be using a jigsaw. It's a small cut right here. That should do it. Woohoo! Flat. The corner is flush, just like we wanted it. And even my cutouts look really nice. At the end of the day, as we completed our floor, it got dark and we had a good portion of the construction completed and had big plans for the next morning where we would start our roof structure.